Hello, we are Tummy Tantrums, offering digital food solutions. The way people access data about food has evolved. Cookbooks were the first generation. Cookery shows on TV and radio became mainstream. With internet, food blogs and cookery channels on YouTube came into the picture. This space has now become saturated with information overload. Mobile web is the future, and this is the big opportunity where we spin. Worldwide, the number of smartphone users has crossed the 1 billion mark. Last year, 49% used websites and videos to discover food. 9% downloaded food apps. Indians formed a small share of this number. There are 23 million smartphone users in India. 4.22 million consume traditional food media, making them the market we can acquire. We started with a recipe app for this market. Our pilot was launched on 19th. It was called the Modak Recipe app. We had 98 downloads, 1,000 plus landing page visits, and gained valuable insights. We talked with many people in the food industry. People have social and emotional needs built around food. They want to connect with chefs and talk about what they cook. Culinary schools want an educational tool. This was a very interesting insight that we got from personal teachers in these schools. This has led us to build our first product, the Chef TV. It has two versions. The B2C version connects chefs and consumers. Let us see what it looks like. What you see is our chef pane. The chef pane shows the chef, his designation, and what dishes he is famous for. Clicking on chef, you can access his trademark recipes. Let's say you want to cook chocolate cake. Looks amazing, doesn't it? This window shows relevant information like time and servings. As you go ahead, you can see the ingredients and the steps one by one. Clicking on a photo, you can enlarge it to see it better. Soon, we shall be adding video snippets, and you should be able to talk with your friends about what you are cooking by discussing it on their Facebook and Twitter feeds. As you can see, this app can be modified to become a culinary learning tool. Features like gamification and progressive recipes shall make it a very convenient and fun tool to learn cooking. It can be customized for each every cooking school. Our business model, we have three revenue flows. The B2C version of the app shall have a freemium model. The limited version will be free of cost, whereas the Chef TV Pro, which has all the functionalities and awesome social media functions, will have an annual subscription fee of $1. The app that we shall make for the culinary schools will be built around the same Chef TV with extra features, and we shall charge for the product, the modules, update maintenance. Other revenue sources include possible white labeling for chef apps and advertisements. Our products evolve around our partners, and we already have some on board. Tanya Khanna and Malika Basu are famous bloggers and advisors who are prepared to share recipes with us. We are also planning and talking with Siolim Cooking School to build a customized app for them. We have competitors like allrecipes.com, Epicurious, chef apps like Jamie Oliver, even Tadla Dalal's website. Where we stand out is our deep India specific role and our social integration. Our early adopters shall be food enthusiasts, and to connect with them, we have developed a blog called Cooker News, which emulates Hacker News. We discuss various articles on this blog and engage and share our ideas. We are also using online, social media, emails, and go in restaurants for mutual publicity. For the next 2 months, we plan to complete the B2C app and release it on the Android market. We also plan 2 pilot runs in Siolim Cooking School and Red Carpet Academy, Pune for the learning tool. We need financing to develop for iOS and Windows platforms, to expand our team with designers and developers, to buy hardware for testing, registration costs and legal assistance. This is our team. Thank you.